So I had said that I would come in and solve. I've looked at a couple of your circuit diagrams where you label and solve the circuits. Pretty good for the most part. People are getting them right. I just pick one here and kind of show you how to do it. Let's do the middle one here. So we start in the sort of the smallest section in that we can get to, and that section is going to be the 4/8 section right here in series. So that 4/8 in series means I'm just going to add those two up. So 4 plus 8 equals 12 ohms. Okay. So if I were to redraw this circuit now, and I'll do that here. At each stage I'll redraw it so you can kind of see what's new. So this is a 9 volt to a 12 to a 3, right? And now instead of a 4 and an 8, it's a 12. So now I have these parallel branches to figure out. So if I do the 12 and the 12, that is going to be 1 over 12 plus 1 over 12 since they're in parallel. And that's going to give me a 1 over the total resistance of that section, which is 1 over 6. So that means that this whole section here acts as one big 6 ohm resistor. So now if I redraw this, I've got a single 6 to a 3. Okay? And now it becomes pretty clear to see that now I'm going to add those two up, and this acts as a series connection, so that's going to be 9 ohms, 9 volts, 9 ohms, V equals IR. So to find the current total, I'm going to take the total voltage divided by the total resistance, and I get 9 over 9, which is 1 amp. Okay, so 1 amp, 1 amp leaves the battery, heads this way. It's faced with a choice to either go this path of 12 ohms or this path of 12 ohms. That's an even split, so 0.5 amps this way, 0.5 amps that way. 0.5 goes through that, 0.5 goes through that. Comes back out as 1 amp through there. Okay. Now if I do the voltages, I'm going to take 12 times 0.5 is 6 volts. 3 times 1 is 3 volts. Half of 8 is 4 volts. Half of 4 is 2 volts. Now to check this, I want to take any particular path, and it should add up to the total voltage of the battery. So I'm going to head out this way. I'm going to go this way. That's 6 plus 3 is 9. Perfect. And then I'm going to go this way, and I'm going to say 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 3 is 9. So both pathways work out and check out just fine. That's how you do that second one.